kajika di komputer bat di laptop kabahajan jongpi. Hapaham sim Nongpoh Bhoi district marpersya bat ke school Alpha Higher Secondary School. Wantit nangi ngin airu ka warranty. Hendriu banaya ki laptop bat khatar banaya ki desktop. Kini ki digimar refurbish lane ki all stock.
Hadien ke jingjob na ka election siteng samoy na GAMBEGRE constituency harilom garo menta ka si ka apnyotrik unai wiang arjar pusau ka Dr. MEHTAB sangma kala SHIM ya ka JINGSMAI KUM ka nong mikmat PAIDBAH na ka constituency na rilom garo ka Dr. MEHTAB sangma ka MLA batmai jong ka GAMBEGRE constituency kala SHIM JINGSMAI hakmat ulampang ka yeng dorbar tauan ka jela Thomas sangma ka bla long ru ha ka jingedon lang jong menteri rangba ka jela Konrad sangma deputy speaker ka jela Timothy Shira nang ta ki arnul ki deputy chief minister ka jela ki bakentop yo ba prestun tensong bodba sngewbha lang dhar ki menteri sarkar ki MLA bat ki wei kumban sukudo kendian ba ka Dr. MEHTAB sangma kadai kurim jong menteri rangba ka jela Konrad sangma kala job na ka constituency ka bala bon snam la mikmat daw saleng sangma bala haban no ya ka kam MLA hadien bola syajiat benlong MP jong ka tura parliamentary constituency hakini kendiat benai ki bala dam la ruban kedau bana ka jingjob jong ka Dr. MEHTAB sangma na GAMBEGRE constituency keseng NPP menta kala don hadu laifu arngut ki MLA na ka ni keseng bat ladakan sensar bat yalam himrwe ya ka sarkar ru kam dan syu ka jing handre hadu menta ka sarkar MDA tu ka bala alam khmat da ka seng NPP kadang treilang bat ki wei ki seng san perthai hapok ka jela miglaya ban yalam ya ka sarkar jela.
Congratulations, Dr. MEHTAB Sangma is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Congratulations once again. For lunch for this occasion. Thank you. So the program is concluded. A moment of great joy and happiness for me to have the fourth lady legislator in our assembly. It is it's a proud moment for the people of Meghalaya and even for the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly also. So it was a great pleasure administering oath of affirmation, the oath of office to the newly elected lady member of the assembly. This is a democratic. We are in a democratic setup. Everybody has a right to give it. I have given my, in my own opinion, I have given my decision. That decision still stands, but everybody is welcome to appeal that decision. So, in a democracy,
if Congress
yes, every time the appeal is done, we study the contents of the appeal. We refer it to our legal experts. We take legal advice. Accordingly, we again give our report. That's how it happens.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentaki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru yue ar nyau lai